Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagama. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Monthly visit Kapsile on Gwanjomani Lounge and ask her about Mtambisi. And he tell Kapsile that he has affair with Mtambisi. He see them on Kemasha FM. While Kapsile realized that she does not know much about Mtambisi, Mtambisi goes to Commissioner Mabaso and tell him that he must kill Mondli because Mondli he does not stop on digging him about his life, and he take the decision that Commissioner Mabaso must kill Mondli. Pastor Kwala apologized to Nkazmulo, while Hlelo does her best to keep last year participants out of this year competition, and it seems like Madlala and Madongwe become disappointed when Hlelo kick them out. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe there for things.